Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to access all the camera settings on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open the camera app on your device. And then once you open the camera, all you have to do is simply tap on this arrow at the top of the screen. And then from the options that appear, simply tap on the settings icon just above AI camera, so tap on that, and there you go. You can successfully access the camera settings. Now you can scroll down and see all the settings that are currently available, and you can adjust these settings to suit your needs, and that's basically it. So that's how to access all the camera settings on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.